Welcome to you all. I am Professor Ashish Mitra. This semester I will be delivering the Strategic Management course and I look forward to working with you all. Strategic Management is a very dynamic and exciting field of study. I hope you will enjoy the subject. As an intro, now a little bit about myself, about my education, corporate and academic experiences. I have done my graduation in mechanical engineering and post-graduation in industrial engineering and operations research from IIT Kharagpur. I underwent an advanced management program for senior managers at IIM Ahmedabad. Also, a senior executive program titled Strategic Thinking for Senior Managers in the New Millennium in USA. I had a 32 years career with a global chemical industry leader, ICI plc UK and their Indian arm, ICI India Limited. I worked in multiple disciplines and fields, namely operations research, manufacturing, engineering and projects, general management, information technology, global outsourcing, and lastly, strategy, including mergers and acquisitions. In the last three fields, I have worked both at the corporate level in India and at global level. Last two positions held were CIO for the ICI Group in India and Regional Director, Information Technology and Management for Asia Pacific region, reporting to ICI headquarters at London. After 32 years of corporate work, I moved to academics. I have been a full-time faculty member for nearly 15 years at IBS Gurgaon, have been Associate Dean and Area Coordinator Strategic Management and BCG for a long time, have been a recipient of Best Teachers Award at IBS. I have also been a visiting faculty at MDI Gurgaon and guest faculty on occasions at IIT Kharagpur and MDI Gurgaon. I have delivered courses in strategic management, BCG, management control systems, strategic marketing management, MIS, and entrepreneurship. You are embarking upon learning a new discipline of strategic management. In the first year, you have learned the basics of individual functional areas of management like marketing, finance, HR, besides economics, quants, etc. Strategic management forms a capstone course or an overarching course that integrates the knowledge gained so far by you. It helps you to view the company as a whole. This enables you to make company-wide strategic decisions, create competitive advantage for the company, and achieve above average profitability and long-term prosperity. The course introduces students with the basic knowledge of the dynamics of strategic management. It dwells in details on the four basic elements of strategic management, namely environment scanning, strategy formulation, strategy implementation, and evaluation and control. Students would also acquire working knowledge on some of the key strategic actions like corporate restructuring, mergers and acquisitions, strategic alliances, nurturing innovation, besides familiarizing with emerging thoughts and practices in the strategic management field. Pedagogy would include lectures, case studies, assignments, and tests. Thank you. Hope you enjoy the course.